What are forces? So the words or the vocabulary that we're going to be learning today is force, gravity, and weight. Gravity is a force that pulls two objects toward each other. Gravity pulls a roller coaster back to Earth. A force is a push or pull. It takes a force to move an object. Weight is a measure of the force of gravity on an object. Objects with a large mass weigh more. Oh, Miss Mills has technical errors. There we go. Type of forces. It takes a force to move things. A force is a push or a pull. You pull to open a drawer. You push to close it. Forces can make things change directions. If you push down on one end of a seesaw, the other end comes up. You use a pulling force to open a drawer. Friction is a force that stops things or slows them down. When two objects rub together, there is friction. Rough surfaces make more friction than smooth ones. That is why you could slide farther on ice than on dirt. A magnet has a force. It can push or pull things made of iron and steel without touching them. The force of the engines pushes a rocket upward. Ways forces change motion. 3 things affect the motion of an object: the strength of the force, the direction of the force, the mass of the object. The stronger the force is, the greater the change in motion. When you toss a ball gently, it does not move fast or far. When you throw a ball hard, it moves fast and farther. The more force used to push the boat, the farther and faster it will move. An object moves in the direction of the force that is pushing or pulling it. If you pull up on an object, it comes up. If you push to the right, the object moves right. The smaller an object's mass is, the easier it is to move it. A pencil has less mass than a book, so it takes less force to pick up a pencil. The stroller moves in the direction that the jogger pushes it. Gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls two objects toward each other. If you toss a ball into the air, it will come back down. Earth's gravity pulls it down. The force of gravity between most objects is weak. You don't feel the force of gravity between you and your desk. But the pull of Earth's gravity is very strong because Earth is so large. The force of gravity pulls the water back down to Earth. The force of gravity depends on how much mass an object has. Weight is a measure of the force of gravity on an object. An object with a large mass weighs more than an object with a small mass. Does gravity pull harder on a mother pig or on one of her young? If you said the mother pig, you were right.